Not let the sun go down while you are still angry. Ephesians chapter 4 verses 26. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. Today I'd like to share with you my simple, tasty and super creamy turmeric chicken spaghetti that I think you should make for your family. They are absolutely going to love it. It is super quick, tasty and pocket friendly as well. So please stay tuned if you want to learn how I made this. All right, let's get started. This recipe, I have my chicken thighs. I've cut them into two. You can also choose to use chicken breast if you do not like bones. Okay, I have some seasoning here. I'm going to list each and every one below in the description box, and I'll list them as I go forward. Okay, and I have some vegetables here as well. I use some carrot, Anaheim pepper, green bell peppers, some mushrooms, some spring onions, and of course I do have my spaghetti, and I have some cooking cream and a special type of cooking cream which is coming from Italy. It's called panna in Italy. It's so delicious. So now let's go ahead and season our chicken. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This helps absorb all the seasoning to the chicken. And as you can see, all the seasoning that we use were about a tablespoon each, not too much. We are going to set it in the fridge and allow it to rest for about an hour. Okay, meanwhile, I'll go ahead and then prep all my vegetables. So I used my knife to chop both the onions and the mushrooms because I want it in a special way like you see. And I'm going to use my food processor or chopper to chop both the carrots, the green bell peppers and the garlic as well. I just want them to be nicely and finely chopped. And this chopper lately or food processor is really helping your girl, and I'm loving the colors that it brings afterwards. So once I'm done, I'm going ahead to then boil my water, which we are going to use to cook our spaghetti. And I'm going to season it with about a tablespoon of salt. By helping the spaghetti not to be sticky to each other, I'm going to also drizzle about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to allow this water to boil before I introduce the spaghettis. So now let's go ahead and start the base of this sauce. So I'm going to place my chicken in my cooking pot with no oil. You do not need oil, okay, especially if you're using a non-stick pan. Okay, so I'm going to steam each side for about this process also helps the chicken to absorb the spices really well. So once I'm done with the steaming, about 2 minutes of steaming, I'll then introduce my chopped red onions and add about ½ cup of water. I'll cover it and allow it to slowly steam for the next 5 minutes. Now the water for the spaghetti is also boiling, so I'm going to add my spaghettis. Please make sure not to break your spaghettis, okay? The Italians are looking at you. And also one thing that I am always confused about is people calling spaghetti pasta. There's a huge difference between pasta and spaghetti. Please let's get that right. The Italians are not happy. They said I should tell you this. All right, so back to the sauce. The chicken has been very well cooked and it has released some juices as well, making it absolutely delicious. I'm going to sprinkle a tablespoon of crushed pepper and then go in with my cooking cream. I'll cover it, allow it to boil for the next 3 minutes. This helps bring out all the creaminess that we need. And then last but not the least, we're going to add our chopped vegetables and our chopped mushrooms as well. This part is absolutely dependent on how you like it. You can do away with your vegetables or add any vegetables of preference. Okay, we have to do is allow it to cook for the next 2 minutes on a very low heat. Our spaghetti here is nicely cooked. It is actually the best idea to drain off the water, especially when you're going to use it right away. So I'm going to take off the chicken from the sauce. I am going to add the spaghetti to this sauce because it is just the best way to do so. You can also decide to just serve your sauce on top of your spaghetti, which will not be bad at all. But me, I prefer to mix each and everything together. Here we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of our cooking cream from Italy. Let me tell you, it is optional. If you have it, use it. If not, it does not change anything from this recipe. So right now, mix everything to combine and you will have your amazing turmeric chicken spaghettis that you are absolutely going to love. This budget friendly, check. Creaminess, check. Healthy vibes, check. It is just so delicious, family. We could not stop eating this. Everyone that you make this for is definitely going to ask for more. Just look at that. The color is popping. Everything is such a vibe. All that you have to do is add your chicken on top, sprinkle a little bit of spring onions for garnishing, and you will enjoy. It is absolutely a delicacy. I really need you to try it. Okay, so this brings us to the very end of this recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family as well, and let me know how you like it once you try it. Okay, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.